All right, so let's build an automation that is going to prompt and scrape the response from ChatGPT. So if I was to start a new automation here, we'll see that I have the ability to add and save my cookies, which is definitely needed for ChatGPT. Given that they have a lot of other detection going on, trying to find bots, irregularities, things like that, adding cookies has been really helpful for users. However, a more helpful feature has been setting up specific Chrome profiles to use for their ChatGPT automation, which sounds very complex, but it's just going to be a couple of clicks that you are doing already. So if we go to settings and then Chrome profile settings, from here we can create a Chrome profile that our automation would use to remain logged in. Now, what that is if I was to go to my normal Chrome browser here, we'll see in the top right up here, I have a Chrome profile, and this is what's responsible for remembering my login to all of my sites. And if I was to switch to this guest window, it's basically like another incognito window, but really it's just a different profile. That's the same way your automations work, where every automation is its own profile unless you tell it to be otherwise. So we're going to do that. What we can do is we can click, I think I already said that, settings and then Chrome profile settings. And then from here, we'll select new Chrome profile where we can add and paste the cookies for all the websites we're going to want to save. So maybe you're going to name this main and you're going to paste all of your cookies, for ChatGPT, Facebook, your social medias, things like that. Now, after we add our cookies for ChatGPT, which you can follow these directions for, we can click create. Now, I already did that, so I won't click that again. But after doing so, we will see this window here. This will have the profile that we just created or others if you've done that. Now, what's really good about this feature and what's been very helpful for users building ChatGPT specific ones is that a lot of the detection users are hitting on Cloudflare or with Cloudflare is solved by simply existing for a little bit longer, your profile existing or using the site for a little bit longer. So to play it safe before recording, what we can do is we'll click this launch icon next to the browser that we just created, and this is going to launch a Chromium window with those cookies that you can work in, use however you want. This isn't recording steps, this isn't playing steps, it's just like having a normal browser. Now, the reason you're going to want to do this is you're going to want to go to chat.openai.com and make sure that you can have a conversation with ChatGPT without there being the Cloudflare detection. There's a lot of really easy ways for TaskMagic to get around that when you're running your automation, but it's just really painful when you're trying to record it, and this is a really easy way to make your life easier there. So in here, you might see Cloudflare wanting to verify you're a user. You can click that verify button 1 time, 2 times, how many ever times they make you click it. And then after that, you're good to go. Again, TaskMagic is automatically going to do this for you down the road. I just want this to be an easier recording process when we're setting this up. So since I can access ChatGPT fine, we're good to go here. I'm going to go back to the app and then click close window so that it completely shuts down that Chromium window that I had. If you clicked the X icon just out of habit, what you can do is right click and then click quit or force quit on the Chromium app.